guys, so we're back in Tokyo. Sa Tokyo kami ulit. And yes, we're back in Tokyo. And on this trip, we are going to embark on the dream adventure of climbing Japan's highest peak, Mount Fuji. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Dave. And if you joined me before, welcome back. Let's go. Alright, so nandito ulit tayo sa Tokyo for another adventure. Meron tayong gagawing once in a lifetime adventure tomorrow. That's why we really needed to go back and try our luck. So right now we are at the Narita Express going to Shinjuku. We just ride the train going there. Let's see Shinjuku. We arrived, so it's time to navigate our way through Shinjuku Station. For those who have been to Osaka, good news! Pwede nyo gamitin ang Ikoka card nyo dito sa Tokyo. You just have to load your card sa mga designated loading and charging kiosk. Although you can use Ikoka card in Tokyo, there will be train lines that does not accept the use of IC cards. You just have to buy a ticket for that. Navigating Tokyo is quite challenging, so a reliable Wi-Fi connection is gonna be handy.
Ayun, marunong sila.
But if you think you're really lost, there will always be an information counter with courteous and English-speaking staff who are always very eager to help you. All you need is to ask. Tonight, we will be staying at Hotel Rose Garden in Shinjuku. This hotel offers the best value for its price and the nearest to the designated pickup point for tomorrow's hike. The hotel offered a complimentary drink at the lobby. It's still summer, so it is a refreshing treat for the guests.
Hagay.
Okay, nice.
Cute. Titi.
After we settle down, oras na para sa ating pinakahihintay at pinakaabangang late lunch. Ito tayo sa Shinjuku at nakita agad namin to. Ayan o. Yoshinoya. Tara, pasok tayo.
Oo, lagi.
Isa sa aming paboritong kainan ay ang Yoshinoya. Paborito ng kuya ko rito ay ang gyudon. At sa ate ko naman ay sukiyaki. At syempre, hindi natin pwedeng palampasin ang unagi rice bowl. #myfavorite. Ilan sa mga nagustuhan namin sa Yoshinoya ay mabilis ang serving, reasonably priced ang pagkain, at syempre, masarap. After a hearty meal, we explored a bit of Shinjuku and bought supplies for tomorrow's hike. I haven't been to Shibuya, so dito muna tayo. Tawagin natin tong Shinjuku Crossing. It's already late August during our visit. Humid and papawisan ka pa rin kapag naglakad ka. But I guess it is milder compared to July and early August. It's still early and rush hour na, but we needed to go back to our hotel to prepare and para makapagpahinga dahil siguradong mapapalaban tayo bukas. Yan lang naman ang baon namin. Ang dami. Okay, see you tomorrow. Rise and shine. Day 2 natin sa Tokyo, but day 1 ang highlight ng trip natin na ito. Let's go! So, nandito na tayo sa pickup area or assembly area ng Hato Bus dito sa Nishi, Shinjuku. Ito yung staging point nila papunta sa Mount Fuji. Few days ago, nag-worry kami sa weather. But fortunately, mukhang pagbibigyan tayo ng weather ngayon. So, yan. So, meron tayong boarding ng 7:15. Dito na tayo sa Hato Bus West Exit. Ayan o, magdadatingan na yung mga bus. In today's activity, we joined the once-in-a-lifetime Climb Mount Fuji course. This is a 2-day activity offered by Hato Bus Company, Japan. Okay. Kaya na tayo. Kaya na po. CD. All weather. Actually, minomonitor namin ang weather since last week. Yun nga, merong silang typhoon number 10. But nandun pa yan sa south of Japan. Hopefully mag-hold yung weather. Although ready naman tayo kahit umuulan. But meron lang silang policy na if the coordinator thinks the hike is not going to be feasible, then they have to cancel it. But fingers crossed. Tingnan natin mamaya. Meron silang waiver. Actually, waiver to. Okay, first stop natin. After less than an hour. Ayan, rest stop muna tayo. So, 8:50. At 8:50 AM, kailangan makabalik na kami sa bus para makaalis din on time to our destination. Nakakatuwa ang mga rest stops ng Japan. Bukod sa maraming pagkain at inumin na pwede mong bilhin, meron din ditong napakalinis at modern restrooms. Also, they are conveniently located along expressways ng Japan. Panalong mga wiwi boys! Naman tayo sa CR ng Japanese. Ayan guys, oh, kahit BMW yan, hihinto ka sa pedestrian kahit gaano kaganda ng kotse mo. Tara, balik na tayo sa bus. Let's go! Iniwan namin yung luggage doon. Babalik yan tomorrow. A little over 2 hours, narating na namin ang 5th station ng Fuji Yoshida Trail. Makapal na hamog at ulan ang sumalubong sa amin. Karaniwan nag-i-stay dito sa 5th station ang mga nag-hike paakyat ng Mount Fuji to prepare and to acclimatize with the higher elevation. Nag-prepare naman kami para sa hike na ito. However, our guide advised us to rent a more suitable waterproof jacket and waterproof pants for the climb. And as always, the guides knows what's best, as what we are about to find out later in the day. Importanteng sumunod, wag matigas ang ulo.
We will start to climb up again at maybe 12.
And going each station to peak?
4 hours. Or 5 hours.
Okay.
Depend on how
The weather.
crowd.
Hindi yan ski.
After a guide's briefing, we started our hike. This is a good 5 to 6 hours continuous climb with some much needed rest in between. There are 4 established routes going up Mount Fuji. The Yoshida, Fujinomiya, Tsubashiri, and Gotemba Trail. And Fuji Yoshida Trail is the most popular among them. So popular that the Yamanashi Prefecture imposed a limit of 4,000 hikers per day and a 2,000 yen entrance fee to avoid overcrowding at the summit. 6 months ago, tinatanaw pa lang namin ito sa Fuji Kawaguchi. And now we're climbing it, realizing how majestic this God Mountain is. At this point, the trail splits into 2. The right one goes to the summit and the left one is where the descending trail meets the main trail going back to the 5th station.
Go. That's way. This way too.
This way.
Small stroke.
Small stroke.
At the start of the hike, makapal pa ang vegetation at marami pang puno. And this decreases as we go higher. The most important. Ang hamog pa rin. Di pa rin namin kita ang summit. At this point, we're about to reach the 6th station. Bullet climbing. Bawal na yung bullet climbing. Delikado kasi yan. Ang bullet climbing ay isang uri ng pag-akyat ng bundok na tuloy-tuloy, magdamagan at halos walang pahinga. Lubha itong delikado at mahigpit itong ipinagbabawal ng Yamanashi at Shizuoka Prefecture na siyang namamahala sa Mount Fuji.
This is 8 station? 6.
Mamadali ka.
Mo, hay ako. Hay kasi nasa.
More than 3 hours.
3 hours more?
3 hours
Oh,
more.
no.
Oh, daijoubu desu. 3 hours more.
Oh no.
Mo genki yo. Oo.
Ayan, narating na namin ang 6th station.
Tourist guide. Aon na may wanan desu ka?
Ogoshi.
Ogushi.
Oh gosh.
Ogushi. Oh gosh. Oh
Oh
gosh.
Yeah, true. Next bus route.
Hai, domo arigato.
90 minutes. 90
Hai,
minutes.
hai.
And less. Okay. Yep. And
Oh, ano? Nakamusta ang shower sa kay Fujisan? Fujisan shower.
Priceless to, guys.
Priceless. Fujisan shower.
here. Yeah, 8 station. This.
So from here to 8, how many hours?
3 hours.
3 hours mo. Okay. Aba. Mukhang walang epekto ang mataas na altitude sa isang to ah.
Ay, binigyan ako ni Fuji-san ng akin. Look. Binigyan ako ni Fuji-san ng akin.
Tingnan mo nga naman. Sumayaw-sayaw lang, nabigyan pa ng talent fee ni Fuji-san.
Ami ga.
Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang ulan at matapos ang maikling pahinga, nagpatuloy na kami sa aming pag-akyat. Nakamamangha ang ilan sa aming mga kasama. They are very eager and determined to reach the summit in spite of physical difficulties. Patuloy din sa pagpapaalala ang aming guide na huminga ng malalim at maliliit lamang na paghakbang while we gain altitude. As we climb higher, mas ramdam ko ang epekto ng altitude. Mas mahirap ang bawat hakbang. Pakiramdam ko, mas bumigat ng 3 beses ang dala ko. Hindi din ako madalas tumingin sa taas, lalo pat makikita ko lang kung gaano pa kalayo ang kailangan akyatin. Pero may mga pagkakataong bibigyan ka ng ganitong view na magpapaalala sa'yo na mataas-taas na rin ang narating mo.
Hello.
Tanawin hindi mo makikita kung hindi ka nagpasyang gumawa ng unang hakbang. Op. Masyado yatang madrama. I-enjoy muna natin ang view. Ito ang Lake Yamanaka or Yamanakaku, located northeast. Isa lamang ito sa mga lawang nakapalibot sa Mount Fuji, also known as the Fuji Five Lakes.
You really?
Sige,
Really?
Fuji ah.
Oh, really?
Mount Fuji ah.
You. How about you, Mario? Really? Oh.
Tuloy pa rin tayo sa pag-akyat. Pansin na ang malaking pagbabago sa terrain paakyat ng 8th station. Mas mabato at mas matarik na rin ang iyong lalakaran. Dagdag din sa challenge ang patuloy na pag-ulan at madulas na mga bato. There's also occasional wind gusts along the trail. At 2,700 meters, narating na namin ang 7th station.
7.
We still need to climb another 400 meters and about 1 hour and 40 minutes to get to the 8th station. Tila walang balak tumigil ang pag-ulan at mas nagiging delikado na ang pag-akyat. May pagkakataong kailangan mo nang gumamit ng 2 kamay para lamang mas maging ligtas ang iyong mga susunod na paghakbang. Sabi ni Og-sang, yung guide namin, too many groceries. Maybe a bit too much. But there's a saying, better have it and not need it than to need it and not have it.
Yung sandwich namin, napiti. Oh, diba? Oh.
Isa lang ang nanatiling intact, ang nag-iisa at marahil ang kauna-unahang Mr. Chips sa Mount Fuji. Universal Rubina, baka naman!
Napiti namin.
Akala nyo 8th station na? Hindi pa! Saglit kami nagpahinga sa station na ito at kumain na rin kami ng aming mga baon para mabawasan ng aming dala. Pero mabigat pa rin. Ang dami kasi.
Pochi.
And finally, we arrived at the 8th station. At 3,100 meters, this is where we will stay for another 6 hours, have our dinner, and take a rest. Nakakatuwa ang mainit na pagtanggap sa amin sa 8th station. Bukod sa mainit na sabaw at pagkaing ihahain, mayroong blower at pupunasan kanila bago ka pumasok sa shelter. Simple lang ang pagkain dito. Curry rice, sausage, pickled vegetable, at jelly. Bilang dessert, meron din palang fish at mainit na matcha. Pero sa totoo lang, kahit ganun kasimple ang pagkain, parang napakasarap. Patuloy ang briefing ng aming lead guide. Ipinamahagi na rin ang Certificate of Cooperation in the Conservation of Mount Fuji. Matapos nito, kami ay nagpahinga na. At 12:05 AM, nag-start na ulit kaming umakyat. This leg is going to be a 5-hour hike going to the summit. It's very important to start this early so you can get to the summit before the sunrise. Importante ding meron kang reliable headlamp na may battering kayang tumagal ng at least 5 hours. Madilim, maulan at napakalamig. Dito ko masasabing hindi biro ang pag-akyat sa Mount Fuji.
Mario.
しまっていきましょう。
At makalipas ang halos 5 oras, narating na namin ang summit. At habang hinihintay ang tamang oras ng sunrise, nagpainit muna kami sa shelter at humigop ng napakasarap na sabaw.
栗は、栗のスープは、名前は何？豚汁。豚汁？ピーク。
At amin na ngang inabangan ng sunrise. Napakasarap sa pakiramdam na masilayan ang unang sikat ng araw sa tuktok ng Mount Fuji, ang pinakamataas na bundok sa Japan at isa sa mga iconic summit sa buong mundo. Hindi biro ang pagod at hirap sa pag-akyat ng Mount Fuji. At maraming factors and preparations ang kailangan mo i-consider. Pero masasabi kong it's all worth to try once in your life. Every mountain has its own level of difficulties. It may be very difficult to climb, but don't forget that every mountain has a summit. Na ang reward ay katulad ng ganito ka-priceless na view.
Summit na po.
At ang tradisyon na kumumpleto ng climb na ito, ay ang pagsigaw ng Banzai, which literally means 10,000 years of long life.
masasabi mo? Ayan, video mo na. Ayan, video.
お手元の皆さん、お手がお好きな方ですね。ますけれども、一番高いところ、山があります。あちらが富士山の最高峰、剣ヶ峰です。
Hindi na. Ay, ang ganda ng langit. Look.
ちょっと下の方まで行ってみましょうか。順番は順番です。
Live na.
Paalis na kami. Sorry. Ang lamig. Grabe. Ang ganda. Hi. Minsan, souvenir. Oh, the sky. Oh, look at the sky. It's amazing.
いやー、綺麗。
Yeah.
いやいや。Today's sky is so beautiful.
Saglit lang kami na natili sa summit at nagumpisa na rin kami bumaba. More or less 5 hours din ang kailangan gugulin para makababa sa Mount Fuji. Iwalay din ang trail going down sa trail going up. This is to prevent congestions along the trail. To sum up our hike going down, I'd say going up is a story, going down is another. And at around 5 hours of hike going down, we're back at the 5th station.
綺麗なご来光ね見れまして、初日雨で、山頂着くまでも雨。
Finish.
僕からは一言ですね。富士山ですね。
Nakatutuwang isipin na mahigit 6 hours pa lang ang nakalilipas. We are standing on top of Japan's highest peak. And now we're seeing it at the distance na waring nagpapaalam at nagsasabing, Matane. Hi! Domo arigatou gozaimasu, Fuji-san! Matane!